Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I am your host, Dost, Crypto Inside. Thank you so much, my dear all of you, for joining the stream. God bless you, my dear friend. BEF Fun, BE Fun. Thank you so much, my dear, for joining me. God bless you, my dear friend. Thank you so much, my dear all of you, for joining me. God bless you, my dear friend. Thank you so much, my dear Golden Ground. My dear Golden Ground, welcome to the stream, my dear. Today, our topic is Get Live Bonus Task Candy Drop ZBT Project Review. Thank you so much, my dear. A thousand sun. Thank you so much, my dear, for joining me after a long time, my dear. You join my stream. God bless you, my dear friend. I am so glad you are here. Your support and presence mean a lot. Thank you for taking the time to join me today. So let's start, my dear friends. Today our topic is Get Live on a Task Candy Drop ZBT Project Review. Newcomers, don't forget to follow my channel, share the stream with your crew, and light up the chat with your energy, my dear friends. Get user 98656C2 and get user OF36337 and get user S6547B77. Thank you so much, my dear all of you, for joining the stream. God bless you, my dear friends. So let's start our topic today. Can you drop 99th? Can you drop X0 base ZBT trade to share 625,000 ZBT? CandyDrop is get airdrop reward platform where user complete tasks to earn candies and share token airdrops. We are excited to announce the ZBT token airdrop event. Complete the task below to earn candies and claim a share of the 625,000 ZBT prize pool and maximum 1200 ZBT per user. Thank you so much, my dear all of you, for joining the stream. God bless you, my dear friend. I'm so glad you are here. Here's the details. Futures trading pool 250,000 ZBT, individual cap 400 ZBT. Thank you so much, my dear. 3446690. Gate user 986A56C2. Gate user 7N4B 57B4. CS Tongian. Thank you so much, my dear all of you, for joining this team. Black 10 trillion methane 3434 and gate user 1A BD2764. Thank you so much, my dear all of you, for joining the stream. God bless you, my dear friends. Spot trading pool is 250,000 ZBT. Individual cap is 400 ZBT. VIP price pool 125,000 ZBT. Fixed reward 400 ZBT. Airdrop formula: your candies slash total candies multiplied by price pool. Spot trading task airdrop calculation formula: your spot trading volume, total spot trading volume of all users multiplied by price. Thank you so much, my dear. Walk and see Mr. Beast 35 Crypto Live Skyfall. and gate user 30FC0 F39 and gate user CD59E00E. Thank you so much, my dear, for joining the stream. Event period 17 October 2025 10 o'clock to 31 October 2025 13 o'clock. Let's go to the join now. ZBT ongoing project. Today our topic is get live bonus task can it drop ZBT project review. Thank you so much, my dear dad quietly. Thank you so much, my dear, for joining me. God bless you, my dear friend. Crypto Live, Gate user 842D F860. Thank you so much, my dear. All of you for joining the stream. God bless you, my dear friend. Don't forget to follow my channel, share the stream with your crew, and light up the chat with your energy, my dear friends. And don't forget to smash the like button. Zero Base is a decentralized cryptographic infrastructure network that enables verifiable off-chain computation using zero knowledge proofs, ZKPs, and trusted execution environment. The total prize pool is 625,000 ZBT, participants is 16,562, and event ends in 11 days, 1 hour and 17 minutes. This is the event timeline. Registration open 17 October 2025 18:10 o'clock and event end in 31 October 2025 18 o'clock and airdrop 20 November 2025 18 o'clock. Thank you so much, my dear. Sakamoto, gate user 9B00, FB35, gate user 1705A560, and gate user AEDF2099. Thank you so much, my dear, all of you for joining the stream. Thank you so much, my dear. Snow drifting over the lonely sea. Thank you so much, my dear, for joining the stream. God bless you, my dear friend. Is the prize pool share rewards. Future trading to share 250,000 ZBT. Individual cap is 400 ZBT. First one is login and participate. Complete the following task and ZBT future trading task. One candy 1000 USD. Three candies 5,000 USDT. Five candies 10,000 USDT and 20 candies 50,000 USDT. Win up to 400 ZBT. Is the share reward next year reward spot trading to share 250,000 ZBT. Individual cap is 400 ZBT. Log in and participate. Complete the following task. ZBT spot trading task. Accumulate ZBT spot trading volume greater than 1000 USDT to share the total price pool and win up to 400 ZBT. Is the VIP exclusive price pool 125,000 ZBT. Individual cap is 400 ZBT. First one is login and participate. Complete the following task. Here is the ZBT future trading greater than 200,000 USDT for VIP only and ZBT spot trading greater than 50,000 USDT for VIP only and claim 400 ZBT. Here is the terms and conditions. Thank you so much, my dear, all of you, for joining the stream. God bless you, my dear friend. Goku Bro, Borobev, and Shimal 5021, specially targeting market. What a beautiful name. Thank you so much, my dear, all of you. Imagine 34343. Crypto Life, and Get user 0D1720D0 and Maskur Rauf. Thank you so much, my dear all of you, for joining the stream. God bless you, my dear friends. First one is to claim reward. Participant need to tap slash click the join button on the event page to register for the event and complete identity verification and event task. Second one is reward will be distributed to user account within 14 working days after the event ends. Third one is any fraudulent action including bulk account registration, malicious trading, self-trading and coordinated trading are strictly prohibited. Multiple accounts with the same identity information will be considered as the same account. Sub accounts are not eligible to participate in this event. Fourth one is this event is not open to market makers, enterprises, and institutions. Affiliate accounts are not eligible for referral type event but can join other events. Fifth one is only fully filled orders are counted toward the event. Partially filled ones are not counted. Sixth one is in case of discrepancies between the translated and the original English version, the English version shall prevail. Thank you so much, my dear all of you, for joining the stream. God bless you, my dear friends. Axmin, Vorobab, and Muhammad Ghalib. Pelasuf, Gate User, F312CA3A, and Maskur Rauf. Thank you so much, my dear all of you, for joining the stream. God bless you, my dear friend. In case of discrepancies between the translated and the original English version, the English version shall prevail. Gate reserve the right to final interpretations. Eighth one is risk one. Cryptocurrency trading is affected by any factors such as market fluctuation and policies. The market fluctuates greatly and it is difficult to predict. Please fully understand risk involved and trade with cautions. Ninth one is user from the restricted region have no access to all or part of the service including participating in this event, game or competition. For more information about restricted regions, please refer to the user agreement. Let's go to the FAQs about CandyDrop ZBT. Thank you so much, my dear all of you, for joining me. God bless you, my dear friend. What are the requirements to participate in CandyDrop? Users participating in CandyDrop are required to complete identity verification and click the join button on the event page. Please, after successfully joining the with their activity data be counted. Market maker, enterprises, and institutions are not eligible to participate in this event. Next FAQ is when will candies be distributed after completed task? Candy will be distributed within 1 to 3 hours after user complete task. Please log in the check the candies obtained from Candy Drop after 3 hours. Let's go to the third one FAQ. What is the VIP exclusive prize pool and how to become a VIP? The VIP prize pool is an exclusive prize pool established for VIP user. Only VIP user can participate and receive reward. As a Gate VIP, you will unlock exclusive perks including lower trading fees, exclusive high yield products, customized borrowing rate and cap, one-on-one account manager, access to VIP only events, and exclusive gifts to merchandise. Click here to learn how to become a VIP. Thank you so much, my dear all of you, for joining me. God bless you, my dear friend. Next FAQ is, what are the code based price pool and fixed reward price pool? Why are there no candy reward? Thank you so much, my dear, for joining me. God bless you, my dear friend. Thank you so much, my dear. The Bulls here triple eight, Gate user 794D, 57B for Vorobo, Jabri 00, Swagi triple one, Jabri 00, and Crypto Canvas. Thank you so much, my dear, for joining this stream. Awesome. And Gate user CD59E00A, Gate user 907461B9, and Gate user 59DEFA84. Thank you so much, my dear, all of you, for joining the stream. God bless you, my dear friend. What are the coded base price pool and fixed reward price pool? Why are there no candy rewards? The, the quota based price pool means that users who reach a certain threshold to trading volume or charge amount during the event will share the total reward pool proportionally. The fixed reward price pool means that user will receive a fixed amount of token directly after completing specific task. Neither of these price pool include candy reward, so no candy is distributed for this task. Thank you so much, my dear Mario007 and Densaka Tomiwa. Thank you so much, my dear, for joining me. God bless you, my dear friend. So, my dear friends, today our topic is Get Live Bonus Class Candy Drop ZBT Project Review. So, let's go to the official website of ZBT. Here is the official website of ZBT. What a beautiful website. There is the zero based staking, run our node, proof scan, eco product, and docs. Let's go to the website. The cryptographic trust layer for global finance, proving the work. Here is the trillions of dollars in financial transaction requires trust, yet current audit solutions are inefficient and fragmented. Here is the real-time zero knowledge proof generation. Here is the standard products latest proof preview. Is the latest proof preview and daily proof. The network revenue. The decentralized, a stronger distributed computing network. Total stake 427925817. and 30 days annualized yield 9.00% plus 8.73% is the verifier and cost effective generate proof for less than 1 cent each. Here is the external products. Soul Pay. Thank you so much, my dear, all of you for joining the stream. God bless you, my dear friends. Grayless, Shoagi triple one, gate user 7F0, B5, 9D4, Turan 99, and 18 years of singleness. Thank you so much, my dear Triumph. And Vorobev, Shoigi triple one, gate user 17B751E9. Thank you so much, my dear, all of you for joining the stream. God bless you, my dear friends. Don't forget to follow my channel, share the stream with your crew, and light up the chat with your energy, my dear friends. SoulPay. SoulPay is a ZK based AA wallet powered by zero base letting user by send and grow crypto with just phone or email, simple, secure, and seamlessly connected to leading DeFi products. Next one is Taco Protocol. Taco is a modular open and composable social protocol that provide permissionless infrastructure for decentralized social network and the creator economy. Thank you so much, my dear great user A6211CC1 and Crypto Canvas. Thank you so much, my dear, for joining me today. God bless you, my dear friends. Freely Protocol, Firefly. Firefly is a Web3 social aggregator developed by Mask Network, customizable timeline enabling user to seamlessly engage with both Web2 and Web3 communities. Is the next one is AnySearch. AnySearch is search engine that does not record data. You can use any language to search public Telegram group slash channel. Here is the zero base ecosystem, decryptable circuit and standardized protocol. Standardized products. The ZK login. Privacy preserving authentication. Next one is ZK dark pool. Confidential and complaint trading environments. ZKFI, the first ZK powered stablecoin staking product offering risk neutral return through autonomous arbitrage strategies. Thank you so much, my dear. Gate user C666B12C and Octopus hat. Thank you so much, my dear, all of you for joining the stream, my dear friends, gate users, and my dear family, crypto family. Thank you so much, my dear, for joining me today. God bless you, my dear friend. Here is the investors and sporters. The investors and sporter is Lightspeed, Action, Dow 5, Matrix Partners, Symbolic Capital, IDG, blockchain, Ingonyama, YZI Labs, and Gate IO Labs ecosystem support program and privacy scaling. US National Science Foundation and ZK Verify. Thank you so much, my dear Chinix 1 King 7704B. Thank you so much, my dear, for joining me today. God bless you, my dear friend. Here's the news and research. There is some news. CoinDesk, WU, Blockchain, and CoinList, OKX Wallet, Galaxies, and CoinDesk. Next one is Decrypt, CPP, CC News, and Coinness, and further more. There is the research, some research of zero-base ZK Snark in Solidity and Ethereum Trends 2023 ZK and Privacy Zero-Base Dialogues enabling with ZK proof. And here is the ZK proof vulnerability and security audit. Restoring privacy with ZK proof and ZK CEX unified liquidity with ZK. So, my dear friends, this is the official website of Zero Base ZBT. Let's go to the white paper of Zero Base. So, my dear friends, today our topic is Get Live Bonus Task Candy Drop ZBT Project Review about Zero Base. At Zero Base, we are building a high performance, decentralized, zero knowledge ZK providing network optimized for real time computation, regulatory compliance, and large scale commercial adoption. Our mission is to close fundamental trust gaps across global finance where systems remain fragmented, opaque, and resistant to verification. We operate a scalable multi-role architecture that root and generate ZK proof thought, a hub proof, a hub prover coordination model. This ensures high availability, low latency task execution, and verifiability at the cryptographic level. Our network support a wide range of applications including ZK Login, ZK Dark Pool, ZK Vote, ZK CEX, and offer fast onboarding for developers with both standardized and custom circuit support. We are fully compatible with Circum, Genarch, and support optional decryptable proof layer for advanced enterprise integrations. Thank you so much, my dear all of you, for joining the stream. God bless you, my dear friends. Thank you so much, my dear crypto family gate user and all my dear friends. Borobev gate user 7F0B590 4 and gate user E161B3B6 Littlekin Turan 99 344 6690 Yi Yuan and Vorobab. Thank you so much, my dear all of you, for joining me. God bless you, my dear friend. Uh, To ensure privacy and compliance, all circuit input are proceed proceed within TEE means trusted execution environment and never exposed to prover operator. Even every proving node is required to stake stablecoin, ensuring performance, accountability, and network security. Our economic model. Zero base is provided by the ZBT token, which serve as the utility backbone of the network. Proving node earn yield by completing proof tasks backed by mandatory stablecoin, collateral, and performance-based reward. Is the hub node earn, earn continuous ZBT emission by routing proof and sharing bandwidth. General user can participate in ZK staking where stablecoin deposit generate off-chain yield through capital efficient strategies. All returns are zero knowledge tested on-chain for transparency and auditability. Here is the we combine ZK verification, T privacy guarantees, and multi-asset staking layer to create a provable complaint and yield generation infrastructure building bridging Web3 freedom with institutional grade integrity. Thank you so much, my dear all of you, for joining the stream. God bless you, my dear friend. My dear gate user 46AE24CD. Thank you so much, my dear, for joining me. Here is the resource providing the proving network and staking. Resources, economic model and roadmap, technical white paper, Korean and MICA white paper. Proving network, workflow, network architecture, API, TWA, and use case. Staking is user guide, risk control, and FAQ. Let's go to the economic model and roadmap. The zero based token utility and economic design overview. Main information, token ticker, zero base, ZBT, token type, utility token, and total supplies 10, 100, 1000, ZBT, fixed and non inflationary. Token allocation summary is the total supply 10, 100, 1000, ZBT, fixed is the category, allocation, vesting schedule, and purpose of allocation. Team and advisor 20% 1 year lockup cliff followed by 48-month liner vesting to incentivize long-term contribution and promote sustainable core product development. Next one is investor 11.25% 1 year lockup cliff followed by 24-month liner vesting allocated to early strategic backers for ecosystem support and protocol growth. Liquidity 2% fully unlock at TGE, facilitate initial liquidity. Ecological fund 15% fully unlock at TGE, support ecosystem growth, marketing, partnership, and infrastructure expansion. Thank you so much, my dear all of you, for joining me, Master Angel I and the chef Gate user 8004868 enjoying laser. Thank you so much, my dear Crancy Whale and Gate user CD59800A. Thank you so much, my dear all of you, for joining me today. God bless you, my dear friends. Next one is Ecological Fund. 15% fully unlock at TGE, sport ecosystem growth, marketing, partnership, and infrastructure expansions. Airdrop and early mining. 8%, 5% unlock at TGE, 3% remaining to be released in the next month. Incentivize early participants who contribute to the bootstrapping of the proving network. Is the node stake 43.75%, liner release starting 1 month post TGE. Ongoing reward for staking node to ensure network security and participation. Is the purpose and design principles. ZBT is the native utility token for the zero-based proof network. It is designed solely to enable access to network service and incentivize participation by user, developer, and ecosystem contributor. ZBT does not represent any ownership, interest, equity, stake, debt claim, or entitlement to any form of revenue, profit, or assets of the zero-based project or its affiliated entities. Holders of ZBT may use to token to pay for protocol level service and participate in certain governance process such as proposing or voting on network parameter. These governance rights are procedural in nature and do not grant any shareholder rights, financial returns, or control over the legal entity operating the network. Token allocation and economic management. The fixed supply of 1 billion ZBT token has been determined with long-term ecosystem utility and protocol sustainability in mind. ZBT is not designed as an investment instrument and no representation are made regarding its market performance. To support predictable supply dynamic, a token burn mechanism may be implemented through automated on-chain process governed by transparent parameters. This is intended to adjust circulating supply based on network activity and usage demand, not for price targeting or speculative outcomes. Here is the node reward and trade allocation framework. Thank you so much, my dear Clear Zalwa 99 visitor 45017. Thank you so much, my dear Long Wang Zion for 10,000, Mr. Khan. And this name is not bad. Thank you so much, my dear, all of you for joining me today. God bless you, my dear friend. Thank you so much, my dear Gate user 77A410B. Thank you so much, my dear, all of you for joining the stream. God bless you, my dear friend. Node reward and trade allocation framework. Zero based network incentive model is built upon two distinct model type, distinct node types, each fulfilling a critical operational role in decentralized proof routing and secure computation. Hub nodes serve as the network routing and bandwidth sharing layer, intelligently dispatching zero knowledge proof tasks from user to available proving node. They also contribute idle bandwidth to improve overall protocol efficiency. No collateral is required to operate a hub node. Reward are distributed in small amount of ZBT token at regular intervals based on routing performance, traffic contribution, and uptime. This mechanism ensures efficient task distribution, reduce latency for proving node, and enhance the availability and decentralization of the network. Next one is proving node represent the high performance tree execution layer of the network. These nodes are responsible for generating zero knowledge proof within secure trusted execution environment. TWE forming the cryptographic backbone of zero based participation requires a minimum collateral of 10,000 in stablecoin and reward are distributing in ZBT or stablecoin based on the volume and quality of proof task completed. This structure incentivizes consistent high quality computing service from proven infrastructure operators. Building upon this two-tiered incentive framework, zero-based implemented a DOO governed buyback mechanism to ensure sustainable circulation and long-term protocol alignment. All network revenue derived from routing proof generation bandwidth sharing and collateral-based trade strategies and consolidated through the protocol income model. A fixed 20% allocation is reserved for the zero-based foundation supporting ongoing research, infrastructure maintenance, and global ecosystem expansion. This percentage is governed by community vote and may be adjusted as the network evolves. Here is the remaining revenue, primarily secured from low-risk capital management strategies backed by node collateral, are allocated to the zero-based DOT ZBT token holders may vote on how these funds are used, including whether to initiate payback at what scale and with what frequency. Upon governance approval, the DAO Treasury may execute ZBT payback and permanently burn the repurchase token, enabling dynamic control of circulating supply and reinforcing the protocol monetary coherence and economic resilience. Thanks so much, my dear, all of you, for joining the stream. God bless you, my dear friends, crypto family, and all gate user. God bless you, my dear friends, for joining the stream. Here's the disclaimer: ZBT token are not intended for sale to individuals or entities or jurisdiction where such foreign would be deemed a regulated financial product, including securities or investment contracts. ZBT token confer no right to dividend proof sharing liquidation proceed or other financial benefit. The zero-based team does not make any commitment express or implied regarding the market value, price appreciation, or tradability of ZBT. All token-related mechanisms are executed transparently through smart contract, and the zero-based team involvement is limited to maintaining protocol level functionality and security. Thank you so much, my dear all of you, for joining the stream. God bless you, my dear friend. Thank you so much, my dear Crypto Zone. Gate user 794057B4 and Polu0808. Currency wheel, Kong shout out. Thank you so much, my dear Sokim 140708 and Pathan 8099. Clear Zalva. Gate user 59C 6596 and Shoiki. Thank you so much, my dear all of you, for joining the stream. God bless you, my dear friend. Let's go to the technical white paper. Here is the technical white paper of zero base at the intersection of trusted computing and verifiable privacy. First one is introduction. In recent years, our data sovereignty, privacy protection, and system transparency have become central themes in global policy and industry discourse. The demand of a technical foundation that enable controllable yet non-intrusive Intrusive infrastructure has become a critical challenge for the architecture of digital finance and the sharing economy in traditional paradigm. On-chain execution provides verifiability but suffer from performance bottleneck and limited privacy guarantees, making it ill suited for high-frequency trading. Complex strategies and sensitive data processing off-chain system, while more efficient, sacrifice verifiability and truthlessness, resulting in increased trust cost and structural risk for user. Zero-base propose a hybrid paradigm that integrate off-chain trusted execution environment TWA with on-chain zero knowledge proves ZKP achieving both privacy in execution and verifiability in outcomes without reliance on centralized intermediaries. 1, 2, 3. This architecture levels this architecture leverages three found three foundation technologies: zero knowledge proof, hardware based circuit level encryption, AMD, SV, SEN, SNP, and programmable liquidity engine to construct a highly available, modular, and sustainable privacy preserving execution network. It provides unified, accessible, and trustworthy infrastructure for developer, asset provider, and end user alike. Therefore, zero base is not intended as an isolated protocol but as a generalized execution platform capable of supporting complex strategy development, resourcing, assistization, and trusted off-chain computation, serving as a systemic anchor and universal trust layer for diverse application scenarios. Thank you so much, my dear, all of you, for joining the stream. God bless you, my dear friend. Thank you so much, my dear, all great user, crypto family, and my dear friend. God bless you, my dear friend. Thank you so much, my dear crypto champion, for joining the stream. Walaikum Assalam, my dear friend, crypto champion. Thank you so much, my dear crypto champion, for this appreciation comment. You are improving so much every stream. It's awesome to watch your journey grow by grow day by day. Thank you so much, my dear crypto champion, and once again, crypto champion comment. Every time you go live, it genuinely makes my day better. You are an amazing entertainer and person. Thank you so much, my dear crypto champion, for this appreciation comment. God bless you, my dear friend. Our vision and mission: restructuring trust in financial execution. The mission of Zero Base is to address two long-standing challenges in on-chain ecosystem. First one is the inability of user to verify complex strategies, leading to widespread black box execution, and second one is the inherent tension between preservation and system transparency, which focus user and developers to trade off efficiency against trust. We argue that a truly sustainable execution network must satisfy three essential conditions: preserving confidential space for strategistic, defining clear, defining clear risk boundaries for capital per capital participants, and amazing integration and composability cost for builders. Thank you so much, my dear, all of you, for joining the stream. God bless you, my dear friend, newcomers. Don't forget to follow my channel, share the stream with your crew, and light up the chat with your energy. And don't forget to smash the like button. We argue that a truly sustainable execution network must satisfy three essential conditions: preserving confidential space for strategies, defining clear risk boundaries of capital participants, and amazing integration of composability codes for builders. To this end, Zero Base aims to establish a philosophy of structure, transparency, and system built not on trust assumption but on mathematical guarantees, architectural isolation, and standardized interface, thereby enabling a trustworthy multi-party collaboration framework. Here is the our vision can be summarized in four core pillars. First one is verifiable strategy execution support for complex strategies, hedge fund algorithmic trading to run to one privately off-chain while exposing key risk metrics such as leveraging ratio and value at risk VAR intervals via zero knowledge range proof achieving auditable privacy without blind trust resource assetization enable bandwidth storage GPU cycle and other shareable resource to participate in DeFi mechanism collaboration, leading atomic swap by generating on-chain attestation through trusted execution and ZK proof, thereby unlocking their on-chain liquidity potential. Next one is composable user experience. Thank you so much, my dear all of you, for joining the stream. God bless you, my dear friend. Mimo148, Mathin3434, Tomivar, Philosu, my dear friends, all of you for joining me today. God bless you, my dear friends. Composable user experience. All core models, Circuit, ZK staking, ZK browser, adopt standardized nested called interface. Developer can easily compose and reuse capabilities to rapidly construct composite application with minimal frictionless ecosystem collaboration. Through well-defined interface specification and stable tooling, ZK application can interoperate without requiring additional consensus layer transition from isolated protocol to a structural collaborative ecosystem. There is the guided by these principles zero base in committed to building a decentralized execution ecosystem that is structurally sound, clearly bounded, and collaboration efficient, a platform that demand neither trust, consensus, consensus, nor privacy sacrifice. B part is technical philosophy and design principle, constructing trust boundaries between mathematics and hardware. Zero base is not merely an incremental upgrade to existing paradigm. It represents a foundational configuration of the trust model itself. It is a systemic logic that unit mathematical formalism, cryptographic mechanism, and trusted hardware into a cohesive operational framework where trustlessness becomes the default assumption. This structure transparent execution network is governed by three core design principles. Thank you so much, my dear all of you. Philosoph, Tomivar, My dear gate user, God bless you, my dear friend. Thanks so much, my dear all of you, for joining the stream. Is the minimal disclosure information is no longer disclosed as raw data but as cryptographic proof, whether representing strategy, risk, yield performance, or liquidity status, zero based employee range proof, or structured ZKP to express system state, ensuring that user can establish trust without accessing underlying data. For example, statement like leverage does not exceed 2x or daily yield fall between 0.1% and 0.3% are presented as verifiable outputs rather than plain text disclosure. Here is the trust minimization. Off-chain execution is zero-based operate within AMD, SEV, SNP's confidential computing environment with remote access attestation verifying the integrity of the runtime. On-chain verification is performed via formally constructed ZK securities ZK circuit. As a result, the system eliminates dependence on any single trusted party and ensures logical occurrence through cryptographic primitive and architectural achieve, achieving end-to-end structural trustlessness from hardware root of trust to governance mechanism. Thank you so much, my dear, for joining the stream. Coco 13, thank you so much, my dear. Digital CL, Philosoph, Get User 7 NCE, 5B42, thank you so much, my dear. Day King, thank you so much, my dear, all of you for joining the stream. Anima and Tommy Ward, thank you so much, my dear, for joining me today. God bless you, my dear friend. Composable proof in the zero base architecture, proof function as the intermediate language for intermodule cooperation. Each strategies module output a unified state digest risk interval performance metrics solvency indicators that can be directly consumed by DeFi protocol liquidation engage engine or collateralized leading structure. This abstraction proof as in interface dramatically reduce verification cost, clearly define module boundaries, and offset innovation across chain and execution domains. Thanks so much, my dear all of you, for joining me today. God bless you, my dear friend. Today our topic is Get Live Bonus Task Candy Drop ZBT Project Review. Zero Base thus embrace our novel ethical framework. Privacy is usable, trust is computable, and structure is composable trustworthy A truly trustworthy system requires no justification. It proves itself through its own architecture. Thank you so much, my dear all of you, for joining me today. God bless you, my dear friend, my dear friends, crypto family, all get users, bundle of thanks all of you for joining me today. Today our topic is Get Live Bonus Task Candy Drop ZBT Project Review. First one is Future Trading Pool Reward. During the event, user with a cumulative ZBT future trading volume open plus close and greater than 1000 USDT will earn candies and share the 250,000 ZBT pool max 9 candies per user with the cap of 400 ZBT. The reward rule are as follows. ZBT trading volume greater than 1000 USDT is equal to 1 candy. ZBT trading volume 5000 USDT 3 candies. ZBT trading volume 10,000 USDT 5 candies. Thank you so much, my dear. Get user AAC 33959 Yi Yuan Purple Earls coming high. Thank you so much, my dear. I got Cano 82. Thank you so much, my dear. I love you for joining me today. God bless you, my dear friend. Newcomers, don't forget to follow my channel, share the stream with your crew, and light up the chat with your energy. ZBT trading volume 50,000 USDT is equal to 20 candies. Second one is spot trading pool rules. User with the cumulative ZBT spot trading volume buy plus sell greater than 1000 USDT can share a price pool of 250,000 ZBT based on their ZBT spot trading volume with a cap of 400 ZBT. The more you trade, the more reward you earn. Third one is VIP user price pool rule. During the event, user with VIP level 5 or above will receive a fixed reward of 400 ZBT after completing the following spot trading or task. The total price pool is 125,000 ZBT available on the first come first served basis. Reward will be distributed collectively after the event ends. The reward rules are as follows. Next one is ZBT spot trading volume greater than 50,000 USDT and ZBT future trading volume greater than 200,000 USDT. Thanks so much, my dear, all of you for joining me today. God bless you, my dear friend. Project information. Zero Base is a decentralized cryptographic infrastructure network that enable verifiable off-chain computation using zero knowledge proof ZKP and trusted execution environment is it power product like ZK staking, ZK login and proof yield. Bridging institutional DeFi user privacy and real world asset strategies, zero based deliveries, programmable compliance, aligned staking, and transparent cryptographic assurance without exposing sensitive data. Token name is ZBT official website is zerobase.pro and social link website X link is here. Is the note. Participant must click the join button on the event page. After successfully joining the event, they must complete the event task by identity verification to receive reward. Reward will be distributed to user account within 14 working days after the end of the event. It is strictly prohibited to register multiple small accounts, engage in malicious wash trading, self-buying or self-selling, or any other cheating behavior. Multiple accounts of the same verified user will be considered the same account. Sub account are not allowed to participate in activities. Fourth one is market maker. Enterprises and institutions are not allowed to participate in this event. Agent account cannot participate in friend invitation type activities while other activities are unrestricted. In case of any discrepancies between the translated version and English version, the English version shall prevail. Gate has the final interpretation right for this event. Seventh one is user in restricted areas cannot access all or part of the service, including participating in the event, game, or competition. For more information about restricted areas, please read user agreement. Eighth one is risk warning. User must pay attention to the fact that virtual currency trading is affected by various factors such as the market and policies. The market is highly volatile and price fluctuations are difficult to predict. Please be sure to pay attention to market risk and trade cautiously. Gateway to crypto. Trade over 3,500 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, easily on Gate. Take action now. Sign up and claim up to 10,000 in welcome reward, invite friend and earn a 40% commission. Stay connected, visit Gate official website, download the Gate app desktop, follow us on Twitter X to get more bonuses, join our Telegram community to discuss trending topics, engage with our global community for the latest insight. Transparency and security, check our 100% proof of result. Thank you so much, my dear, all of you, my dear friends, crypto family, and all Gate users. God bless you, my dear friend. I'm so glad you are here and join me today. God bless you, my dear friend. Today our topic is Get Live Bonus Task. Can you drop ZBT project review? Inshallah, we will meet tomorrow with the new hot topic. Take care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz, my dear friends, all of you.